In a world where terrain crushes ordinary trucks, only the toughest survive. These are 10 of the most heavy-duty off-road trucks ever built, monsters of steel, torque, and engineering, designed to dominate deserts, tundras, and mud-soaked battlefields. From Cold War legends to modern powerhouses, these trucks aren't just machines, they're unstoppable forces. Buckle up, it's time to witness true off-road supremacy. Number 10. Tatra 815-7 Force. Born from nearly a century of engineering mastery, the Tatra 815-7 Force stands as one of the most capable heavy-duty off-road trucks of the modern era. Built by the Czech manufacturer Tatra, a brand famous for its unique backbone chassis design, the 815-7 represents the perfect balance between old-world mechanical durability and modern military technology. It was created to thrive where traditional trucks surrender, from the deserts of the Middle East to the icebound passes of Central Europe. The 815-7's defining feature is its central backbone tube chassis with independent swinging half-axles, a design that gives every wheel independent articulation and constant contact with the terrain. This not only maximizes traction on rocky and uneven surfaces, but also minimizes stress on the frame. Where most 8x8 trucks flex under load, the Tatra's frame absorbs punishment and keeps moving forward, maintaining stability even under full payload in the harshest environments. Under the hood, the 815-7 Force is powered by a Tatra T3 C9 2890 air-cooled V8 diesel, delivering about 402 horsepower and an incredible 1,800 Newton-meters of torque. Paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission, it can climb 60% gradients, handle 30-degree side slopes, and ford rivers over 1.5 meters deep without any special preparation. Its 14 R20 military tires feature a central inflation system, allowing the driver to adjust pressure on the move for sand, mud, or rock. The truck's engineering is so robust that it can carry over 24 tons of payload, tow up to 60 tons, and still operate in temperatures ranging from -50 to +50 degrees Celsius. The use of an air-cooled diesel is more than a design choice. It's a statement of reliability. Even if coolant systems fail or radiators are hit, this Tatra keeps running. That's why it has served in real-world operations with NATO and Czech military forces in Afghanistan and Iraq, where the terrain and climate tested every vehicle's limits. The 815-7 came out as one of the few trucks that never stopped moving. Visually, the 815-7 Force looks like a land battleship, tall, angular, and imposing, with a cab built for crew protection and functionality rather than comfort. But it's what lies beneath that makes it one of the greatest heavy-duty off-roaders ever made. Every bolt, axle, and joint on this machine is designed to perform under pressure. Its suspension provides an unmatched combination of articulation and load-bearing stability, allowing it to traverse landscapes that would immobilize even modern armored transports. Whether hauling artillery, disaster relief supplies, or exploration gear, the Tatra 815-7 Force proves that heavy duty isn't about brute strength alone, it's about resilience through intelligent design. In a world shifting toward electronics and automation, this Czech Titan stands as a reminder of mechanical genius, a truck built to keep humanity moving through the most unforgiving terrain on Earth. Number 9. Western Star 6900 XD. When it comes to civilian heavy-duty trucks built for the world's harshest industries, few can match the raw power and versatility of the Western Star 6900 XD. Designed primarily for mining, oilfield, and extreme off-road applications, this Canadian-American behemoth is engineered to perform where conventional trucks would fail. Its imposing frame, high ground clearance, and robust suspension make it instantly recognizable as a true workhorse, capable of traversing deserts, swamps, rocky quarries, and snow-covered terrain without compromise. Built on a Class 8 chassis with optional 8x6 or 6x6 configurations, the 6900 XD offers flexibility for custom applications while maintaining the extreme off-road capability that Western Star is known for. Every detail, from the reinforced bumper to the heavy-duty winches and auxiliary suspension, reflects a philosophy of practical, unrelenting power. Powering the 6900 XD is a range of Detroit diesel and Cummins engines, capable of producing over 600 horsepower and massive torque in excess of 200 to 500 Newton-meters, depending on configuration. Coupled with a robust Allison automatic transmission and planetary axles, this truck can haul payloads exceeding 40 to 50 tons, climb steep inclines, and navigate soft sand or loose rock while maintaining stability and traction. Its tire options, often exceeding 50 inches in diameter, combined with a central tire inflation system in specialized models, allow operators to adapt instantly to varying off-road conditions. Unlike military trucks, the 6900 XD also provides modern ergonomic cabs and advanced electronics for driver support, blending human comfort with uncompromising engineering. This combination of brute strength and operational control makes it a favorite for oilfield operators in Canada, the US, and remote regions worldwide. Beyond the specs, the Western Star 6900 XD's reputation is earned in the field. It has been deployed in Arctic oil sands, remote mining operations, and even firefighting support in rugged terrain, proving that civilian trucks can rival military designs when properly engineered. Its visibility and reputation also make it a cultural icon among off-road enthusiasts and extreme-duty truck communities, often appearing in exhibitions, expeditions, and off-road competitions. The 6900 XD exemplifies the concept of heavy duty in every sense, not just for hauling weight, but for enduring punishment and performing reliably in conditions most trucks would never attempt. In the hierarchy of extreme off-road vehicles, it holds its place as a civilian titan, bridging the gap between industrial power and the spirit of adventure. Number 8. MAZ 537. In the vast expanse of the Soviet Union, where icy tundras, deep mud, and unpaved roads stretched for thousands of miles, a truck was needed that could haul the heaviest payloads across any terrain. Enter the MAZ 537, a colossal 8x8 military tractor designed in the 1960s to transport tanks, missiles, and artillery pieces. Unlike conventional trucks, the MAZ 537 was engineered from the ground up for extreme-duty off-road performance. Its massive frame, reinforced suspension, and dual-cab design made it a symbol of Soviet mechanical might, capable of enduring the harshest environments while carrying payloads of up to 50 tons, or towing trailers exceeding 70 tons. Every component, from the air-assisted brakes to the planetary axles, was designed for reliability under punishment, reflecting a no-compromise philosophy that defined Soviet heavy machinery. At the heart of the MAZ 537 is a 38.8-liter D12A 525 V12 diesel engine, producing 525 horsepower and staggering torque that allowed it to overcome inclines, frozen ground, and deep mud that would immobilize lesser vehicles. Its 8x8 wheel configuration, combined with lockable differentials and a low-range transmission, gave it incredible cross-country mobility. The cab was deliberately simple yet functional, prioritizing visibility and ease of maintenance over comfort, making it suitable for the extreme conditions of Siberia, Eastern Europe, and Central Asia. Even decades after its debut, the MAZ 537 remains in service in several countries, proving the durability and foresight of its original engineering design. What truly sets the MAZ 537 apart is not just its raw power, but its historical significance. It was the workhorse behind some of the most critical Soviet operations, from moving intercontinental ballistic missiles to supporting armored divisions during exercises and real deployments. Its ability to operate in sub-zero temperatures, across soft soils, and through rugged landscapes made it the ultimate demonstration of heavy-duty off-road engineering. Today, the MAZ 537 is revered by military historians, heavy-duty enthusiasts, and truck aficionados alike as a mechanical giant that embodies the ethos of enduring. Number 7. Scammell Pioneer SV2S. In the mud-soaked battlefields of World War II, where tanks bogged down and artillery struggled to move, Britain needed a vehicle that could recover and support the heaviest machines under the worst conditions. The Scammell Pioneer SV2S was born from this need, a heavy-duty 6x4 off-road recovery truck designed to tow, haul, and rescue armored vehicles in virtually any environment. Its rugged frame, low gearing, and advanced suspension allowed it to traverse muddy fields, bomb-cratered roads, and uneven terrain where conventional trucks failed. Built with durability as the core principle, the Pioneer SV2S became the backbone of the British Army's recovery fleet, capable of lifting and towing tanks weighing over 30 tons while maintaining mobility in difficult conditions. Powering the Pioneer was a Scammell inline 6-cylinder diesel engine, producing around 95 to 100 horsepower. Modest by modern standards but remarkably effective when paired with its epicyclic gearbox and heavy-duty winches. The truck's 6x4 configuration, combined with a triple-axle design, allowed it to distribute weight evenly, giving it superior traction even in deep mud or snow. Its massive winch systems, capable of exerting tens of tons of pulling force, allowed the Pioneer to drag disabled tanks or artillery pieces out of battle zones. The cab was Spartan, functional, and built for soldiers, a true workhorse where human comfort was secondary to operational reliability. Beyond its mechanical capabilities, the Scammell Pioneer SV2S became a symbol of British engineering ingenuity. It saw action in North Africa, Europe, and even the harsh climate of Norway, performing recovery, towing, and logistical tasks that kept Allied forces operational. Its robust design influenced post-war heavy-duty recovery vehicles and cemented Scammell's reputation as a premier off-road truck manufacturer. Today, the Pioneer SV2S is celebrated in military museums and among vintage truck enthusiasts as a pioneer of extreme off-road engineering, a vehicle that embodies the essence of heavy-duty resilience, proving that ingenuity and mechanical reliability can triumph over the harshest conditions. Number 6. MZKT Volat 7429. In the landscapes of Eastern Europe and beyond, where extreme payloads meet unforgiving terrain, the MZKT Volat 7429 reigns as one of the most formidable off-road trucks ever built. Developed in Belarus as a successor to the legendary MAZ series, the 7429 was designed to transport heavy military equipment, including missile systems, armored vehicles, and massive logistical loads, across terrain that would cripple ordinary trucks. Its 8x8 configuration, enormous ground clearance, and torsionally flexible chassis make it uniquely suited to remote areas, ranging from frozen tundras to soft soils, steep inclines, and unpaved roads. Every detail, from its reinforced frame to independent suspension, emphasizes reliability and off-road dominance, making it a true modern titan of heavy-duty transport. At the heart of the Volat 7429 is a YAM 7513 3.10 diesel engine, producing 500 to 525 horsepower and an immense 2,200 Newton-meters of torque, coupled with a heavy-duty multi-speed manual transmission. The truck is capable of carrying payloads exceeding 60 tons while maintaining maneuverability on slopes and rough terrain. Its central tire inflation system and specially designed off-road tires allow the driver to adapt instantly to mud, snow, or sand, ensuring traction even under extreme loads. The cab is armored and ergonomically designed for long missions, while the vehicle's modular body allows it to serve in multiple roles, from missile transporter to heavy logistics support. This combination of power, flexibility, and engineering precision ensures that the Volat 7429 continues the legacy of Belarusian and Soviet heavy-duty excellence. In practice, the MZKT Volat 7429 has proven itself in both military and industrial roles, hauling enormous payloads across Eastern Europe and remote regions worldwide. Its reputation as an indestructible off-road hauler has earned it respect among military planners, engineers, and off-road enthusiasts alike. Every hill climbed, every river forded, and every kilometer traveled showcases its purpose-built design, reinforcing why it belongs on a list of the most extreme heavy-duty off-road trucks. The 7429 is not just a vehicle, it's a statement, a mechanical giant capable of surviving and thriving where ordinary trucks would fail, embodying the ultimate blend of brute strength and engineering ingenuity. Number 5. Kamaz 63501. Across the frozen expanses of Siberia and the rugged terrain of Russia, a truck was required that could deliver troops, equipment, and supplies under conditions that would immobilize most vehicles. The Kamaz 63501 is a modern Russian 8x8 heavy-duty truck engineered for these extremes, combining proven Kamaz reliability with cutting-edge off-road capabilities. Designed primarily for military logistics, it can operate in temperatures ranging from -50 to +50 degrees Celsius, traverse deep snow, mud, and sand, and carry payloads that exceed 20 tons, making it a true embodiment of heavy-duty engineering. Its frame, suspension, and drivetrain were optimized for long-distance off-road endurance, ensuring that whether on frozen tundras or muddy forests, the truck could continue its mission without compromise. Powering the Kamaz 63501 is a Kamaz 740.63 400 turbocharged V8 diesel engine, delivering 400 horsepower and approximately 1,700 Newton-meters of torque. This immense power is transmitted through an 8x8 drivetrain with locking differentials and a low-range gearbox, giving the truck exceptional traction and the ability to climb steep inclines or cross rivers over 1.2 meters deep. Its independent suspension and massive off-road tires allow the Kamaz 63501 to absorb shocks and maintain wheel contact over irregular terrain, while a central tire inflation system ensures adaptability to sand, snow, or rock. The cab, though armored in military configurations, prioritizes visibility and driver control, reflecting a design philosophy where function and reliability outweigh luxury. In real-world deployments, the Kamaz 63501 has proven itself indispensable for Russian military logistics, Arctic operations, and disaster response missions. Its ability to haul fuel, ammunition, and heavy equipment across extreme terrain makes it a vital asset in regions where traditional trucks would be stranded. Beyond military applications, it has inspired commercial and civilian adaptations in oil fields, construction, and emergency response across Russia and Eastern Europe. The Kamaz 63501 demonstrates that true heavy-duty off-road capability is a combination of power, engineering precision, and adaptability, making it one of the most formidable trucks ever built to face nature's harshest conditions. Number 4. Mercedes-Benz Zetros 2733A. In the realm of modern military and expedition vehicles, few trucks combine engineering precision, reliability, and off-road dominance like the Mercedes-Benz Zetros 2733A. Developed in Germany for military and humanitarian operations worldwide, the Zetros is designed to conquer the toughest terrains, from flooded riverbanks and desert dunes to snow-covered alpine passes. Its 6x6 configuration, high ground clearance, and robust frame make it an expedition-ready monster, capable of hauling heavy loads where standard trucks would falter. The Zetros is not merely a vehicle. It is a mobile command of terrain, engineered to provide both durability and versatility in the most demanding conditions. At its core, the Zetros 2733A is powered by a Mercedes-Benz OM457 LA 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine, producing 326 horsepower and approximately 1,600 Nm of torque, coupled with a 16-speed manual or automatic transmission. The truck is equipped with locking differentials and a low-range transfer case, giving it exceptional traction across steep gradients and slippery surfaces. Its central tire inflation system allows drivers to adjust tire pressure on the move for sand, mud, or snow, while independent suspension ensures that all 6 wheels maintain maximum contact with the terrain. The cab is ergonomically designed for long missions, with integrated safety and communication systems, reflecting Mercedes-Benz's philosophy of combining human-centric design with uncompromising mechanical reliability. The Zetros has proven itself in real-world operations across the globe, from military missions in Africa and the Middle East to humanitarian and disaster relief in remote regions. Its ability to transport troops, fuel, and supplies under extreme conditions has earned it a reputation as one of the most versatile, modern heavy-duty off-road trucks. Beyond its military applications, the Zetros is also a favorite for expedition enthusiasts who require a reliable truck capable of crossing rivers, scaling sand dunes, or navigating alpine trails. The combination of German engineering, power, and adaptability ensures that the Zetros 2733A is not just a heavy-duty truck, it is a symbol of precision, resilience, and global off-road mastery. Number 3. MZKT 1. During the height of the Cold War, NATO required a truck capable of transporting troops, heavy equipment, and artillery across Europe's most challenging terrains. The MZKT 1 was Germany's answer, an 8x8 off-road giant engineered for extreme mobility and reliability. With its modular chassis, high ground clearance, and exceptional articulation, the KET 1 could traverse mud, snow, steep inclines, and unpaved roads where conventional trucks would stall. It was built with one principle in mind: to deliver heavy payloads anywhere, at any time, under any condition. Its rugged design quickly established it as one of the most respected heavy-duty off-road trucks in NATO service, earning a reputation for resilience and precision. The truck is powered by a D256 V10 diesel engine, producing around 320 to 330 horsepower, with torque exceeding 1,400 Nm, paired with a manual transmission optimized for off-road power delivery. Its 8x8 configuration, locking differentials, and low-range gearbox ensure maximum traction and mobility in the most extreme conditions. Designed for flexibility, the KT-1 could carry heavy loads exceeding 20 tons, tow artillery pieces, or transport troops across challenging terrain. Its cab is functional and durable, offering protection while prioritizing operational efficiency over comfort, a hallmark of German military engineering. The MAN KT-1's performance extended beyond training grounds into real-world deployments, where it moves supplies, equipment, and armored units reliably in diverse climates from the cold winters of Northern Europe to muddy Central European plains. Its combination of robust engineering, versatility, and proven off-road capability allowed it to serve for decades, influencing future heavy-duty off-road designs both within Germany and internationally. Even today, the KT-1 is celebrated by military enthusiasts and off-road aficionados as a mechanical icon, embodying the very essence of Cold War-era heavy-duty reliability and unmatched terrain mastery. Number 2. Oshkosh M1070. In the unforgiving deserts of the Middle East and across the rugged landscapes of Europe, the Oshkosh M1070 has earned its reputation as one of the most formidable off-road heavy-duty trucks ever built. Developed in the late 1970s and early 1980s for the United States Army, the M1070 was designed specifically to haul the heaviest armored vehicles, including the M1 Abrams main battle tank, across terrains where ordinary trucks would fail. Its 8x8 configuration, robust chassis, and advanced suspension systems allow it to traverse mud, sand, snow, and steep inclines while carrying loads exceeding 70 tons, making it an essential component of modern military logistics. The M1070's purpose is simple yet demanding. Move the heaviest loads anywhere, under the harshest conditions, and do so without fail. At the heart of the M1070 lies a Detroit diesel 8V92 TA V8 engine, producing approximately 500 horsepower and over 1,900 Nm of torque, mated to a fully synchronized 4-speed automatic transmission designed to handle extreme loads. Its heavy-duty axles, central tire inflation system, and reinforced frame provide unparalleled traction and stability, whether climbing steep grades or crossing soft, unstable ground. The truck also features a hydraulic winch system capable of assisting in recovery operations, giving it the versatility to navigate battlefield obstacles while maintaining heavy load capacity. The cab, although utilitarian, provides all necessary controls for precision operation under the most challenging conditions, emphasizing reliability and control over comfort. The Oshkosh M1070 has proven itself in countless real-world operations, from transporting tanks during NATO exercises in Europe to deployments in Iraq and Afghanistan, where it endured extreme heat, dust, and sandstorms. Its ability to move massive military hardware safely and efficiently has made it a cornerstone of American heavy-duty off-road logistics. Beyond its operational role, the M1070 is revered among off-road and military vehicle enthusiasts as a symbol of American engineering excellence, demonstrating how purpose-built design, immense power, and rugged construction can combine to create a truck capable of achieving what few others in the world can, moving the heaviest payloads across impossible terrain. Number 1. Tatra 813 Kolos. When it comes to the ultimate heavy-duty off-road machine, few trucks can match the sheer presence and capability of the Tatra 813 Kolos. Developed in Czechoslovakia during the late 1960s, the 813 was designed to meet the extreme demands of military and industrial operations across Europe and beyond. With its massive 8x8 configuration, reinforced chassis, and signature Tatra backbone tube design, it was built to survive conditions that would immobilize almost any other vehicle. Whether climbing steep, rocky inclines, traversing deep mud, or navigating snowbound forests, the Kolos was engineered to endure a mechanical giant that combined power, reliability, and innovative engineering in a package unmatched for its era. The heart of the Tatra 813 Kolos is its air-cooled V12 diesel engine, producing around 250 horsepower with a remarkable torque output of 1,050 Nm, paired with a low-range transmission designed for off-road torque multiplication. Its independent swinging half-axles allow every wheel to remain in contact with the terrain, giving the truck extraordinary traction and flexibility. The Kolos could haul payloads exceeding 20 tons, tow artillery, and transport heavy machinery across extreme landscapes, all while maintaining stability and reliability. Its air-cooled system meant it could operate without concern for radiator damage or coolant failure, a simple but brilliant solution that enhanced durability in harsh climates, from Eastern European winters to muddy battlefields. Beyond raw engineering, the Tatra 813 Kolos carries a legendary legacy. It served extensively with the Czechoslovak and Soviet militaries, transporting tanks, missiles, and other heavy equipment during exercises and operational deployments. Its ability to perform where other trucks failed made it a symbol of mechanical ingenuity and reliability, earning it admiration from military personnel, engineers, and off-road enthusiasts alike. Even decades after production ended, surviving examples of the Kolos still dominate off-road exhibitions, expeditions, and heavy-duty showcases, reminding the world that true off-road supremacy is achieved through smart engineering, adaptability, and sheer durability. In the pantheon of heavy-duty trucks, the Tatra 813 Kolos stands unchallenged, a crown jewel of off-road excellence and a fitting finale to this journey through the world's most extreme vehicles. Those were the 10 of the most heavy-duty off-road trucks ever built. Machines that crush mud, snow, sand, and every obstacle in their way. Which one blew your mind the most? Comment below, hit like, subscribe for more epic truck stories, and share this video with anyone who loves extreme machines. Remember, these aren't just trucks, they're legends on wheels.